Hi everyone, my name is Daminaka. In my last video, I created this realistic AI news anchor video, and a lot of people were amazed at how natural and human it looked. Here's the video.
Live from the studio, this is Veo3 News. We start with the sweeping changes across the digital landscape as markets react to the new data. Tonight, we're looking at the dramatic rise in AI innovation, exploring how digital creativity is making a truly global impact across various sectors. Thanks for watching Veo3 News, where technology meets creativity and the future is always in focus.
So, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I made it step by step using a few simple AI tools. It's short, it's creative, and yes, you can do it too. Well, let's get started. So the first thing I did was to come up with a simple concept. I wanted a fake news broadcast that was going to be AI development, like what you just watched. I just had my idea and I had my concept. So I added to ChatGPT. Okay. So now that I'm in ChatGPT, first thing I did was the scene description. Decide, okay, how do you want your scene to be? So I wanted a professional virtual news anchor in a modern TV newsroom kind of scene. I wanted moving backgrounds, screen at the back. I wanted graphics. I wanted a scrolling news ticker at the bottom. So once you just have that, then secondly, what is your preferred on-screen text? Like what text do you want to be showing on the screen? Beside that as well. Then thirdly, you describe your news anchor. Do you want a male anchor? Do you want a female anchor? What accent do you want? Do you want British accent? What language do you want? So you decide that as well. Then you decide your news theme as well. Then for the voiceover part, do you have a script already? If you don't worry. This ChatGPT is going to do everything for us. So once you have all your description like that, just give it to it, tell it what you want, and the whole description, like I said. Okay, so you should have something like this now. A professional British female news anchor, the gender I want, the kind of thing I want. Then behind a sleek digital newsroom text that says my scene, the scene I want art to be. The environment features holographic screens. It's just the whole descriptions that I gave you earlier. So then you give it to ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. So here is what ChatGPT gave us. Prompts that we are supposed to use for it. Now, VO3 is what I'm going to be using to generate my video, and VO3 for now currently the maximum video duration that you can create on this is 8 seconds. Obviously, this prompt and the voiceovers included in it is more than 8 seconds. What are we going to do? We have to like divide it in parts. So just tell it to ChatGPT that it should divide it into parts for you. Divide this prompt. Okay, so here's what I have. Divide this prompt into parts. Video 3 maximum duration is 8 seconds. Then give it to ChatGPT. So by now you should have something like this in prompts, in parts rather. You have something like this. Once you've gotten to this stage, trust me, your work is literally done at this point because all you have to do after this is copy and paste till we get to the CapCut part. You're like, CapCut, don't worry, all you have to do in CapCut is just full editing. So without too much talk, let's get right into the generation of our video. So you go to VO3. Now you could access VO3 through Google AI Studio, or you could access it through Flow, or you could access it through Google Gemini. But let's access it through Flow now. Okay, so you click on New Project, then you go ahead and copy and paste your prompt there. There's another way you could generate your video. That way we could first create our images, then put it here. You are going to like frames to images. But for now, let's do text to video. If you want me to teach you how to make frames to images, just drop a comment and I'll do that in the next video. When you're done downloading, Let's see you at CapCut. You can see over here, I just put in little transition effects like fading in, folding over, just little transition effects, nothing really serious, nothing really fancy. But in case you want a fancy edit, you can go ahead and play around with the effects and the whole display on the screen as you can see. But this is exactly how I created this video in less than, you can see, less than 10 minutes. So this is how I created this video. How I created my AI news anchor video. It was all done with AI tools as you can see. It's a fun and simple way to experiment with AI storytelling. If you'd like me to make a full tutorial on how to create your own AI avatars like the ones on your screen right now, using free tools only, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. I've got some really exciting ones coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video.